Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to insert page number in Word from specific page. So first you have to open the Word. Here you can see I have multiple pages. Now what I want is I want to start the numbering from the fourth page and leave the first page to no numbering. The same way you can start a numbering from any page, whether you want to skip the title and the table of content, whatever. So first you have to go to the layout, but before that you have to put your mouse cursor on the page where you want to start the numbering, and then you can see this option breaks. Click onto it and choose the option next page. Once you have done that, that's good. Now what you have to do here is you have to add the page numbering, but again click onto that page where you want to start a numbering, and after that you have to go to this insert section and then you have to add the page numbers. There we have this option called page number. Click onto it and you can select whether you want it on the top or in the middle or at the bottom. It's up to you. As you can see, we have got the page numbering, but it has started from the first page, not from the specific page. In my case, I want it from the fourth page as labeled as the first page. So if you want to do the same thing, whether from any page you would like to, what you have to do is you have to first select that numbering that you want to start from. Just simply select it, and there we have this option which is link to previous. Click onto it. Now nothing has changed, but it will change. So now what we have to do is on the top you can see we have this option page numbering. Just simply click onto it. As you click onto it, then you will see this option for formatting. Click onto it. Then you have to select this option start at, and then you have to simply here make it one and click on OK. And as you do so, you will see the fourth page is now the number one, but the previous pages are still there, the numbering on it still there. So what you have to do is you just have to simply click onto it and just simply remove it, and once you do it you will see the previous pages will no longer have the numbering. So now the numbering is starting from the fourth page as the first page. Here I have used the fourth page, but you can choose any page number as per your choice. So that's how you can start the page numbering from any specific page in Word. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.